I'm going to show you how to use the XTAR VP4L PLUS charger as a power supply, or use it to recharge items like phones, flashlights, that sort of thing. And you can use charged up cells to do it. You don't have to plug it in. So with this, you can use the power supply with it, the regular plug-in setup, and use it to charge a phone, but you can also use it with just batteries. So if you put a 18650 battery or any 3.7 volt battery into the charger, you can use it in any slot. Doesn't matter which one it is, and you can use multiple batteries to give it more power to it, so it'll light up both channels like that. So if you just want to charge a phone with it but not plug it in, say if you've taken this with you on a trip, have some charged up batteries, be out somewhere and want to charge up your phone, you can use this without having to plug it into a regular outlet. So just any USB-A to USB-C plug, if you mount this in here, if I can get it plugged in here, it'll shut off the display after it sits a little while to save battery, so you just have to press that again. But do that, it'll show USB at the top here, and just plug that in, light up, it shows it's charging there. It's a 2.4 amp max with it, so it's not going to be a super fast charging, but it will charge really quick. You can also take the batteries out, and if you're at home or somewhere else and don't have access, you can just use the power supply cord and charge from that while you're charging batteries. So if you're sort of limited in places to plug in, if you use the regular wall outlet plug for it, it'll light up as long as a cable is plugged in here. You can use it to charge USB things. So even like this USB flashlight, it's a USB-C, plug that in and it'll show a charge on here, and it'll slowly charge it up. It'll beep when it's accessed something. You can also change the amperage on it from 2 amps to 1.5, 1, 2. So it just gives you some options with this thing if you just want to be able to carry some batteries with you and charge your phone on the go, that sort of thing. You can carry that and use that as a power brick on it. I just want to show you how to do that. So if this helped at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.